another video for you, and today it's the easiest and the most simple cake decoration I have ever tried. It's rice paper SAILS. They are very popular these days, and it's so simple to make. A lot of you have probably already tried it, but maybe some of you haven't yet, so I would like to show you how easy it is to make those SAILS. All you need is a rice paper sheet for two. You can buy those in any store that sell Asian food supplies, and it's for spring rolls actually, and it comes in square and in circle shape. This is circle, of course, and all you have to do is, you can, of course, I'll make one whole lot, and I have one bowl of cold water, and you just simply put it in your water and leave it for maybe half a minute or minute till it's soft and that you can't see that pattern anymore. So I'll leave it here. In the meantime, I'll just make my baking sheet paper ready. So we want those SAILS to have like wavy form, like this. And all you have to do is take a piece of baking paper. You just squeeze it, smash it a little bit, and we're gonna put our SAILS onto those pieces of paper so they are not straight. You can make one larger one for the whole rice paper sheet. I made a few smaller ones. And you need some color. Those are gel colors. You can use any color you like. You can also use like airbrush colors. It doesn't matter. Just dilute them. If there are gel colors, you'll need some water to dilute them. I'll use purple and like dark red. Let me see what happened to our rice paper. You see it's all soft. I can see a little bit of that pattern, but I don't mind. Then you just put it on a silk pad or silk mat. It's a silicone, so it doesn't stick. And now you just take your brush, take some color, and you brush it on. It's like watercolor technique. You can make it as dark as you want or as light as you want. You can color the whole sheet, or you can just do it like this. And I'll use this red one for this side. You can be creative as you like. The beautiful thing about this decoration is you cannot do a mistake. Everything looks cool. Then you just transfer this rice paper to your piece of baking sheet. And you just spread it out the way you like it. And now you can also put some more color on it. For example, if I have a fold here, maybe this fold would look great if I add some more of dark color. And then you just leave it to dry overnight, and that is all. If you want, like in this case, for your sails to stand inside of your cake, to stand up, you can also use some wires to attach those sails to the wire, and I'll show you how. You just take a piece of your wire, and then you make a fold. If this is a little bit too dry and it sticks, you can put some more water on it. And then you just take the wire and fold it inside. When it's dried, it will hold. Maybe you can just twist. It's so slippery. It's like, it's very slippery. And this will hold. If you want, you can take another small piece of rice paper and put it on top before you fold it inside the wire. Just put it on top and glue them together. Either way, when it's all dry, it will hold because it's so light. It doesn't have any weight. And then you just leave it to dry. Maybe I should do one or two smaller ones. You just take the scissors and cut out any shape you like. And you repeat the process. It's the same. You just put it in water. Oh, and you could also pre-color this water before you put your rice paper inside, and you already have a like light color of any color you like. So we'll just give it a half a minute, then we'll do the same process again. You could also put it on straight on your paper and then color it. You cannot do wrong with this technique, I tell you. It's so simple. Of course, you can also make straight like shape. It doesn't have to be like squeezed and wrinkled like this one. You can also leave it flat. Just make sure that you put it somewhere that it doesn't stick. And baking paper is the best option for that. If it happens that it sticks together, you can just put it in your water again and repeat. I'm not trying to make it pretty. I'm just showing you how simple it is. If you want one bigger one, like bigger than the whole sheet, you can just glue 2 or 3 together when you put it on the paper to dry. It's so simple. Oh, it happened again. It's stuck together. I'll just do that. And the color stays on the rice paper. Of course, if you soak it for too long, it will probably, a lot of color will come off. So you have it. The most simple and the easiest technique in my life. So probably the shortest video for you. And let me show you what happens the next day. Some of those rice paper sails came off by itself because it's shrinking a little bit. If not, well, you don't have to do a lot to take it off. So it's already off. And the way I see people decorate their cakes, just use your imagination. Everything looks great. And if you want to glue it, you can use chocolate or buttercream or whatever you like, just to glue them. If you have the wires inside, it's easier. And then you just glue them like in one wave or in sail or whatever you like. It's also awesome for butterfly or bee wings or anything that needs something that you can see through. And you can also, let me show you, color it afterwards, make some lines, either with brush or with edible pencil, with edible color. You know me, everything looks better in gold. So this is just golden powder color with some oil. So this color doesn't dry. If you want your color to dry, then you can mix it with alcohol. You can do whatever you like with it. And I think the most beautiful thing about this cake decoration is you don't have to be a master. You don't have to be the greatest cake decorator to make a beautiful cake. It can be a little bit like art, and everything works with this technique. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. Tell me what you think about it. Give it a try, send me your pictures, and have a lovely day, and don't ever forget that anything is possible. Bye guys.